Hello everyone, let's learn the histopathology of ameloblastoma. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and hit the like button. First, we'll see a follicular variant of ameloblastoma, which is histologically characterized by the presence of numerous ameloblastic islands and follicles. Now, these follicles shows peripherally placement of ameloblast-like cells. These are the columnar cells with dark nucleus, and the nucleus is placed away from the base of the cell, that is reversal of polarity. While the center of these islands shows presence of star-shaped cells with interconnecting delicate cytoplasmic processes. Now these islands and follicles are surrounded by mature connective tissue stroma. Sometimes you can see a cystic degeneration of the stellate reticulum-like cells, leading to the formation of cystic spaces within these follicles and islands. Next, we have plexiform variant of ameloblastoma, which shows the anastomosing cords and sheets of odontogenic epithelium, giving the appearance of network or plexus of odontogenic epithelium. These plexus lined by cuboidal to low columnar ameloblast-like cells. Stellate reticulum-like cells are present in the center but not as prominent as of the follicular ameloblast. Supporting connective tissue stroma is loosely arranged and myxoid, and it shows tendency towards cystic degeneration. Unlike to follicular ameloblastoma, where cystic degeneration is present in the ameloblastic follicle. Acanthomatous variant of ameloblastoma shows close resemblance to the follicular variant of ameloblastoma. In addition to this, histologically it is marked by the presence of the squamous epithelial cells within the follicle. These are actually a squamous metaplasia or the squamous transformation of stellate reticulum-like cells. Now these follicles are surrounded by mature connective tissue stroma. In addition to this, they shows the evidence of keratin formation in the form of parakeratin and keratin pearl. Granular cell ameloblastoma histologically marked with the presence of ameloblastic follicles packed with the polygonal cuboidal granular cells which have abundant cytoplasm filled with eosinophilic granules and that resembles lysosomes both ultrastructurally and histochemically. Desmoplastic ameloblastoma histologically shows presence of small, compressed, irregular, animal figure-like odontogenic epithelial islands and cords which are surrounded by a highly collagenized connective tissue stroma, which is labeled as stromal desmoplasia. Unicystic ameloblastoma has three histologic patterns. Luminal, which shows a single cystic lesion lined by ameloblastic epithelium. Intraluminal, which shows the tumor epithelial proliferation within the luminal cavity. And mural, which shows the ameloblastic follicles and islands within the connective tissue wall. Now this single cystic lesion which shows ameloblastic epithelium has typical features of ameloblastoma. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel.